Question number 1, psychology is A, the study of human societies and cultures and their development. B, the science of human behavior. C, the study of life or the study of social life. Or D, the study of the fundamental nature of knowledge, reality, and existence. Sige, ang sagot ng taong bayan ay letter B. Ganito lang po ang itsura o yung konseptong lumitaw sa nakaraang Gen Ed ng Understanding the Self. Tinanong lang, what is psychology? It's the science of human behavior. So psychology po, it's the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. Kung ano po ang human behavior, kung ano po yung nakikitang behavior ng isang nilalang o ng isang tao, yun po ang pinag-aaralan nila. Ano? Hindi po nila hinuhulaan kung ano yung nasa isip ninyo. Okay po? So yung letter A naman, the study of human societies and cultures and their development, ito po ay under ng anthropology. Okay po? Letter C po, the study of social life. Ito po ay under sociology. And letter D, the study of the fundamental nature of knowledge, reality, and existence. Ito naman po ang letter P. Ano po yon? Very good kayo dyan. Ito ay philosophy naman.